Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present perfectly poached eggs. But we won't be using a standard poached egg technique. I want to show you how to make perfectly poached eggs in under 2 minutes without boiling water or using any additives like vinegar. Let's get started. You'll need 2 large eggs, a small glass bowl, a half a cup of cold water, and a slotted spoon. We'll move the spoon out of the way for now. Pour the cold water into the bowl. You'll want to be sure it's cold water as it'll help buffer the eggs as they begin to cook. Crack the eggs into the cold water. Place the bowl in a microwave. Now all microwaves are different, so your time may be slightly different, plus or minus a few seconds. I set mine for 1 minute and 20 seconds. When it's done, remove the bowl from the microwave. Be careful as the bowl will be a bit hot. At this time, the eggs will continue to cook in the hot water. After about 10 seconds, remove the eggs with a slotted spoon. Notice how nicely the whites have cooked and how soft the yolks are. If you prefer your yolk stiffer, just cook it a bit longer. These here will cook for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Now the only thing left to do is add a little salt and cracked black pepper and enjoy. Delicious. There you have it, folks. Perfectly poached eggs in under 2 minutes. Breakfast or brunch couldn't be simpler. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.